Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon en papillote. This classic French technique involves cooking food inside a sealed parchment paper packet. It's a fantastic way to prepare fish, locking in all the moisture and flavor while making cleanup incredibly easy. You'll be amazed at how simple and delicious this healthy meal can be for any weeknight dinner. Now, let's get to assembling your delicious packets. Start by cutting a large piece of parchment paper into a heart or oval shape. Place your salmon fillet on one side, then layer your favorite vegetables like asparagus or cherry tomatoes around it. Don't forget to season generously with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, and a drizzle of olive oil for maximum flavor. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this easy guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great cooking tips. On another note, if you're looking to simplify your financial life, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth. It offers straightforward advice that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for a link to the book and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your packets are assembled, it's time to seal them up. Fold the parchment paper over and crimp the edges tightly to create a secure seal, trapping all that wonderful steam inside. Bake your packets in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. The packets will puff up beautifully, signaling your salmon is perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.